Hey there, my name is Amethyst with WTI, and I have something really fun to show you. This is a bazooka gun that shoots bubbles. Yes, this is a bazooka gun that shoots bubbles with 24 holes right here to create the maximum amount of bubbles. It is so much fun. This would be an awesome thing to bring to parties, like pool parties, kids parties. Honestly, this would probably be awesome too at certain weddings or anniversary parties if that is the aesthetic that you're going for. I love the way that it is made. It's really easy to use and hold. It is just super cute. I like that it creates so many bubbles. The solution that it gives you is awesome. It creates really nice, long-lasting bubbles. And this honestly has a variety of uses, as I said, for plenty of parties, but I also have a pet safe bubble solution that I will use sometimes instead of the solution that I got with it, and have like some fun with my cat. So if he's in the mood for it, he likes to chase and pop the bubbles, and I know a ton of dogs that would also love that experience. So if you have pets, then maybe this would be a cool addition to their outdoor playtime. I just really love this thing so very much. I could sit and play with it for hours, even being an adult and by myself. It is just so much fun, and I am not ashamed about that. So if you are interested, I highly recommend that you grab this. So much fun, you will not regret it. And that is my point of view.